Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. And today's inspiration, this video is going to be for people out there that want to start trading. And I was thinking about it actually. I thought long about this, and I'm going to talk about how you out there can start trading, your trading journey, because it is a very long topic. Financial freedom. That is why most of us come into trading. We want to be financially free. We want to make decisions on our times. We want the freedom to travel, to work wherever we were, wherever we want to work from. So I'm going to talk about trading in a simple sense, financial freedom, because I've been able to trade for some time now, and there are things I've observed and there are things that I know that maybe someone who wants to start might not know. Therefore, that's why we are here for this video. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Joe, and I trade gold, I trade prop firms, and I've been trading them for 5 years down the road. And why do I keep saying and? Anyway, so we are here to talk about trading for someone who is starting. There is plenty of YouTube videos. This one will be a bit different from them because I speak my mind. I try to speak my truth, the way I've seen it out of my own experience, and how I can help someone out there move forward with their trading. So it is very, very easy to start trading. Many people have questions. How much do I need? What is the appropriate capital? What apps do I need? So this video is going to be kind of an answer to all those questions in one video, very short, and let us see how it will go. So for people who would want to start trading, their trading journey towards financial freedom, most of us come from a place of watching people who have traded and they are making it, right? That is where most of us get the inspiration. That's where most of us look at the market and be like, this is what I want. And yeah, I'll stop saying and. Anyway, most of us come from such places and say, this is what I want. Let me pursue it. So if you want to start pursuing trading, you're going to go to, the YouTube is the main source of, education for trading. Some read PDFs, some read notes, but I think YouTube is a very good source. You can find videos like mine, like this one, and get into it, Also, AI can actually take you through trading. But the best thing that you can do for yourself is find someone who will direct you really well in the steps for, trading. Whether you're a beginner, because all of us were beginners at some point. That is the raw truth. At some point, we were all beginners in the trading space. I was a beginner, you were a beginner, and maybe now you're not all, now I'm not, but we were all beginners at some point. And yes, so getting someone who is going to direct you. For example, most people use it as a mentor. That is what the name is, but getting someone who is going to direct you, sort of a guardian through the space, because it is a very large space where people, some are genuine, some are not, others are, just winging it. And it is very, very good to get direction from someone. I used not to believe in it. I used to believe in teaching oneself, going to YouTube and studying. But that takes a long time. And most of us are not patient for, 4 years, 5 years, so that we can be profitable. So if you want to cut that thing short, you look for someone who is going to mentor you and direct you. I've had a bunch of you reaching out to me, which is very, very awesome. But I'm not the only one who is doing that. There are plenty of people who are into that space of helping other traders achieve things that they want to achieve in life, right? So reach out to anyone who you think will help you. If it is me, of course, my numbers are right there on the screen. So get help if you need it. And then the next thing you're going to do, that person is going to walk you through, like trading view, how to analyze the charts, like how to execute the trades on MetaTrader 5, how to be patient, the psychology of trading, Yeah, these are a lot of people reaching out to me. I'm sorry for the distractions, but we shall proceed. So you have to learn all these things. MetaTrader 5, trading view. That is, we are just simple. We are talking about simple things that people need, when they are trading, that people need to make themselves familiar with. So most people call it Forex, but I usually call it trading, because you can decide to trade crypto, you can decide to trade Forex, you can decide to trade futures, and many, many more things, just not that. Anyway, so after getting someone who is going to direct you, make sure they are genuine. Some people are expensive like me. I'm on a discount right now at 100, but most people are expensive. And it is tough to find someone who is genuine, who is going to help you. So what you do, you can either teach yourself or go that route. Just that the disadvantage of teaching yourself, it is going to be way longer than someone who has someone giving them direction. That is the only thing. But, well, after that, what do we look at? After learning, those executing a trade, looking at the candles, how they are moving, and then, developing that area. Excusez-moi. After doing that, you have to find a strategy that you think is going to help you on the charts. This strategy is quite important. It should come in early, So most people, when you're teaching yourself, you go through that phase of testing this strategy, then you jump on another one, then you test another one, something like that. But, it is always nice and it is always better to have someone to guide you. But if you're teaching yourself, most people, you jump from another one, you try this one, it works, then fails, then you jump on another one, works, then fails, then you jump on another one, something like that. But if you stick to one and see, because there are periods of losing streaks and there are periods of winning streaks. So if you stick to your strategy, you stick to your guns, you make a decision, surely it is not going to take you very, very long. So this one is mainly for people who want to start, for beginners, but even those who are already in the field doing it. I know there are periods where you feel like you're a beginner. I know you know how to execute trades, you know how to do whatever you want to do, but you have to do what? This video is going to be helpful for you also. Then after knowing your strategy, understanding, okay, this is what I trade. The easiest one you can start with is support and resistance, right? Support. That is a very easy strategy. And then you have to have, on top of that strategy, you have to have confirmation, right? So you will be able to do what? To use that strategy for a while, choosing a time frame and all that. All this is quite important for you as a person, and it is important for you as someone who wants to learn trading and take it seriously, because most of us don't take it as a serious career, especially when you're starting. You've seen someone flipping $10 to 1,000. You want to do the same thing, and you don't know that happens rarely, right? It happens very rarely. So the better, the earlier you take it as serious as a career, or not necessarily a career, or it's my job, but taking it serious is what I'm talking about, the better it will become for you, right? The better it will become for you. And then you making the decision, what to trade, crypto, Forex, or futures. That is also serious stuff down the road. But after getting your strategy, of course, you start practicing now. You start entering. And all these steps, you don't even need money, right? You can practice on a demo account. That is why you hear people say, oh, it's a demo. Those demos are there for a person to practice taking their trades, their setups in a very calm manner, in a very calm way. That is when you're going to be what? To be able to look at the charts and be like, okay, now I've practiced on a demo for a few times. Let me start live trading. Most of us jump immediately into live trading, but sometimes it has risks and it is dangerous, because that is real. You're losing real money. you're losing real everything. And that is why the advantage of prop firms comes in. Prop firms are advantageous because you pay a fee, you go and study and practice. It is like you're doing an exam, so that you show to the prop firm that, I'm ready to trade, I'm doing this and this, and then that will help you out in the long run. Okay? So after that, you continue, after the demo, you transform to the live account, because it is also necessary, you don't stay on the demo for a very long time. It's not important. You go live, then you see that things are different. On a demo account, things are a bit easy. On a live account, things are different, right? You get into the into the real deal now. We are talking about the real deal, where you're trading. You've maybe got your support and resistance. There are other strategies. There is smart money, there is ICT, there is trend lines, there is support and resistance, there is demand and supply. There are plenty of strategies which you can use, right? So, yeah, now you are trading live after that period. And that is where things get tough. You could have taught yourself all the other stuff, but then also at this period, this time now, you still need guidance, because there is a bunch of psychology that you need to become a successful trader. And defining success also depends. Most of us think success is, going on YouTube and showing, like, I've come here, oh, you guys are... No. Success for every person is very, very different. And it is necessary to understand, like, the type of person you are and what success will mean to you and how it will look like. That is why it is important to visualize all these things. And then after visualizing, you settle down. The easiest visualization you guys get, the stimulation you get is from YouTubers who have bought a nice car, who have bought a nice what. But after watching that for entertainment, you come back on ground and be like, okay, yes, what is my reality of life? What is life around me like? And what would be an ideal situation? Let us say maybe I get a 10K prop farm account and I could get 500 out of it consistently. That is a very good start. It doesn't mean you're not going to grow. It doesn't mean you're not going to face hardships, but you've realized that, okay, I need to take this seriously so that I grow exponentially. But some of us, sometimes we take these challenges that we can't afford. That is also very dangerous, guys. But yes, I appreciate you guys for watching these YouTube videos as they are coming through. I sit here and talk about trading. I also trade my setups. I analyze the markets like before. I take challenges and do them online. And this year we are cooking a bunch of ideas. So just keep it locked on this channel. And of course, those that want to join the mentorship, you WhatsApp me. I leave the number here. And even those who just want to come and say hi, I'm trading. I have a lot of you guys who are coming, and I appreciate you for that, because in trading, it is very, very lonely. Like, for example, people who are just trading alone, it is very, very tough. You're there, you're trading and doing nothing else. So I'm always open. As I tell you, I did counseling at uni. So you can even talk, because trading involves the whole body of a person making decisions. And if you're facing challenges as a person, you're going to make wrong decisions on the market sometimes, or more often. So it is important for you to be what? To be vigilant, to be ready. And I don't want this video to be very long, but trust in God's process. You have known about trading for a reason. God has brought trading to you for a certain reason. So please do not disappoint God, and make sure you trade better. You try your level best to know what to do and to try and trade good. So I'll leave it here, but thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.